Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important multiple choice questions of your previous year's sensory organs in the nervous system. Rods and cones in retina of a vertebrate eye differ in their function. Indicate the false statement. Rod and cones are actual photoreceptors. Rods are stimulated by low and cones by high intensity light. Rods give a blurred image of an object, cones give sharp visual details. Rods give color vision, cones give black and white images. Correct option is fourth. Rod gives color vision, cones give black and white images. Cavity of the vitreous humor is behind the lens, in front of the lens, between the choroid and retina, between sclerotic and choroid. Answer is behind the lens. Ear ossicles of a mammal are arranged in the following order from the eardrum inwards. Malleus, stapes, incus, malleus, incus, stapes, incus, malleus, stapes, stapes, malleus, incus. Malleus, incus, and stape is the correct option. Our taste organs located upon tongue are example of extroreceptors, interoceptors, teloreceptors, phonoreceptor. Correct option is extroreceptors. What type of stimuli from a distant source affect our eyes? Light and sound waves, light only, light sound waves and order, light sound waves and tension. Correct option is light only. A feeling of pain in one's stomach would be due to interoceptors, extroreceptors, proprioceptors, teloreceptors. It is interoceptors. Suppose you felt an earthquake, which of your sensory organs you think was involved in this feeling? Eyes, skin of your soul, ears, proprioceptor. It is ears. The low intensity of light during night is detected by cones, rods, both crystalline lens. It is rods. When light intensity changes from 1 to 100 units, the response of an eye will increase by 110.012 twice, two times. Night blindness is caused by myopia, hypermetropia, defective cornea, deficiency of rhodopsin in rods or of vitamin A. Fourth, deficiency of rhodopsin in rods or of vitamin A. Least distance of distinct vision for a person suffering from hypermetropia is 25 centimeters, less than 25 centimeters, greater than 25 centimeters, infinity. Correct option is 25 centimeters. To correct myopic vision, one should use concave lenses, convex lenses, plain glass plates, convex glass plate. Correct option is concave lenses. Owl moves freely during night because they have only cones in their retina, vitamin A deficiency, only rods in their retina, adjustable people, only rods in their retina. Rods and cones. Rods and cones are present in the cornea, lens, iris, retina. They are present in retina. Chief function of semicircular canals of internal ears is to perceive sound vibrations of high or low frequencies, to transmit sound vibration to the auditory nerves, to maintain dynamic equilibrium of moving body, to perceive changes in orientation of body in relation to gravity. Correct option is to maintain the dynamic equilibrium of moving body. Sense organs concerned with equilibrium in the mammal are located in nasal chambers, internal ears, medulla oblongata, eyes. Correct option is internal ears. If light source in front of an eye suddenly becomes bright, focus of lens will change, retina blood supply will be cut off, vitreous humors will liquefy, pupil will contract. Pupil will contract. This is the correct option. Fully developed external ears are characteristics of fishes, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. These of the mammals. Jacobson's organ is concerned with smell, burrowing, touch, sight. It is concerned with smell. Chief functions of rods and cones in vertebrate eyes are rods are important for vision in bright and cones in dim light. Rods are important for vision in dim and cones in bright light. Rods are involved in color vision and cones in discernible intensities of light. Rods and cones are both important for vision in dim light. Rods are important for vision in dim light and cones in bright light. Which part of membranous labyrinth the utriculus is? Lower chamber concerned with maintenance of equilibrium, lower chamber concerned with transmission of sound waves, upper chamber concerned with maintenance of equilibrium, upper chamber concerned with perception of sound wave. Upper correct option is 3. Upper chamber concerned with maintenance of equilibrium. Internal ear in mammals is responsible for fixation of direction, sensing changes in atmospheric pressure, maintaining rotational balance of body at rest, maintaining gravitational balance of body at rest. Correct option is 4, maintaining gravitational balance of body at rest. Cochlea is a structure found in internal ear of rabbit, pelvic girdle of rabbit, shell of nail, urostyle of frog. It is internal ear of rabbit or the mammal. The fluid contained in semicircular canals and other parts of internal ear of rabbit is hemolymph, endolymph, perilymph, lymph. It is endolymph. Rhodopsin is a pigment found in bile juice, RBCs, retinal cells, skin dermis. It is in retinal cells. Endolymph is a fluid present in nidoblast, posterior chamber of eye, synovial cavity, internal ear. It is in the internal ear. Aperture of eye. Aperture of eye can be changed by iris, vitreous humor, ciliary muscles, aqueous muscles. It is changed by iris. Semicircular canals are present in heart, internal ears, nose, kidneys. They are present in internal ears. Organs of corti is found in middle ear, utriculus, sacculus, cochlea. It is in cochlea. Aperture that controls the light entering into an eye is blind spot, pupil, sclera, iris. It is the pupil. The passage connecting middle ear with pharynx is tympanic canal, vestibular canal, cochlear canal, Eustachian tube. It is the Eustachian tube. Photosynthetic pigment is different in different eyes, similar in all eyes, similar in all vertebrate eyes, red in all, similar in all vertebrate eyes, whose photosensitivity is used in animal vision. Carotene, ATP, keratin, chitin. Correct option is carotene. Focal length of eye lens is controlled by iris muscles, ciliary muscles, cornea, pupil, vitreous humor. It is by the ciliary muscles, which are responsible for color detection. Cones, rods and cones, choroid. It is the cones. Sensitive pigmented layer of eye is sclerotic, retina, cornea, none of this. It is the retina. Retina of vertebrate eyes consists of rods and cones, rod cones and neurons, rods, cones, neurons and neuroglia, neurons and neuroglia. It is rods, cones, neurons and neuroglia. Cells sensitive to vibrations occur in utriculus, nasal chamber, middle ear, organ of corti. It is organ of corti. Pigment found in rods is keratin, photosyn, retini, melanin. It is the retini. Area of most acute vision in eyes which contains only cones and where sharp and bright images are formed is blind spot, yellow spot, pupil lens. It is yellow spot. Focusing objects in rabbit's eye is brought about by shifting of lens, altering viscosity of vitreous humor, shifting retina close to lens, altering lens curvature. It is altering lens curvature. Blind spot of an eye is located in fovea centralis, middle of the lens, where optic nerve leaves the retina, in center of the way, where optic nerves leaves the retina. Functions of irises: move the lens forward and backward, alter the diameter of pupil, close the eyelids, secrete aqueous humor. It is alter the diameter of pupil. Myopia, that is a short sightedness, is a defect in human eyes in which images form in front of retina and can be corrected by using concave lens, front of retina that can be corrected by using convex lenses, behind retina and can be corrected by using concave lenses, behind retina and can be corrected by using convex lens. First option is correct, in front of retina and can be corrected by using concave lenses. Which one of these receptors in man is stimulated by sound waves, or in which part of mammalian ear the nerve impulse of hearing start or perception of sound in a mammal is by stimulation of mechanoreceptors located in utriculus, organ of corti, sacculus, or eardrum. Correct option is organ of corti. The chief function of utriculus in vertebrates is to perceive sound vibrations, serve as shock absorber, perceive pressure, help in maintenance of body equilibrium, helps in maintenance of body equilibrium. Cochlea and organs of corti of are mammalian ear are concerned with hearing, balance of the body, both of this perception of atmospheric pressure. Correct option is hearing. Hypermetropia is a condition In human eyes, in which the image is formed in front of the retina, can be corrected by convex lens. In front of retina can be corrected by convex lens. Concave lenses behind the retina can be corrected by using convex lenses behind retina and can be corrected by using convex. It is behind retina and can be corrected by using convex lenses. Blind spot in vertebrate eyes is the place where there are no cones, there are no rods, there are neither rods nor cones. Retina is absent. Next, retina is absent. The stiff supporting structure in ear pinna is bone, elastic cartilage, tendon, ligament. It is the elastic cartilage. Ciliary muscles are found at the base of cilia in ciliated epithelium between ribs to assist in breathing movement, inside larynx to regulate tension of vocal cords, at the junction of choroid and iris in the eye wall. They are at the junction of choroid and iris in the eye wall. The common eye defect that develops in old age is myopia, presbyopia, and tegmentism glaucoma. It is the presbyopia. Presbyopia, balancing organs occur in sponges, paramecia, only mammals, all vertebrate. Equilibrium of body is maintained by cochlea, semicircular canals, Eustachian tubes, hormone. It is the semicircular canals. Layers in wall of eye walls from inside outwards are retina, choroid, sclerotic, choroid, retina, sclerotic, choroid, sclerotic, retina, choroid, sclerotic. Hardinian Hadrian glands are found in pheretima, rabbit, man, frog. It is in frog. In frog, scrotic is fibrous, bony, cartilaginous. It is cartilaginous. Eustachian tube connects pharynx to middle ear to external ear, left ventricle to right ventricle, left atrium to right atrium. It is pharynx to middle ear. Now the next one is pigments which help pigments pigment which helps some mammals to clearly use clearly see in the night: heparin, guanine, porphyrin, hemoglobin. It is guanine. Eustachian tube equalizes air pressure in the middle and external ear, equalizes air pressure in middle ear and internal ear, acts as an organ of equilibrium and hearing, vibrates tympanum. Eustachian tube equalizes air pressure in the middle ear and external ear. Lens used by those who cannot see near objects are concave, convex, plane, bifocal. It is convex. Membranous labyrinth is called stato acoustic organ because it is concerned with hearing, balancing, both sound production. It is concerned with both hearing and balancing. Which layer of the wall of the eyeball contains abundant blood vessels? Choroid, sclerotic, retina, lens. It is the choroid. Which of these has the biggest eyes in proportion of the body size? Horse, camel, elephant, deer. It is deer. What will happen if the eyes of a frog are covered by vapor? Frog will not move. Frog will move to one side only. Frog will soon die. Frog will not do anything. Frog will not do anything. Which of these is an ear ossicle in frog? Malleus, columella oris, incus, auricle. It is columella oris. In the eye of frog, ganglion cells form outer layer. Ganglion cells lie between the layer of rods and the layer of cones. Layer of rods and cones is outer to the layer of ganglion cell. Layer of ganglion cells are interpressed between rods and cones. Third one is correct. Layer of rods and cones is outer to the layer of ganglion cells. Rhodopsin is found in rods only, cones only, whole of the retina, ganglion cell. It is rods only. Meckel's disc in the skin of rabbit, thermoreceptors, vibroreceptors, algoreceptors, tactile receptor. It is tactile receptor is the correct option. Iris is a part of sclerotic and choroid in retina, choroid only, retina. It is choroid only. Fenestra ovalis in frog is the external opening of tympanic cavity covered by tympanic membrane. Opening of auditory capsule which separates middle ear from the internal ear. Air filled cavity of middle ear, communication between pharynx and tympanic. Opening fenestra ovalis in the frog is opening of auditory capsule which separates middle ear from internal ear. Columella oris is modified articular, quadrate, sphenoid, hyomandibular. It is hyomandibular. Retina of eyes exemplify neuroepithelial receptors, neuronal receptors, interoceptors, epithelial receptor. It is epithelial receptor. Receptors which become excited by somatic stimuli of the movements, position, and pressure in tendons and ligaments are included in the category of exteroceptors, proprioceptors, interoceptors. No, the correct option is interoceptors. Ascenian corpuscles occur in the skin of certain parts of body in the mammals. These are a type of a gland, brain receptors, naked tactile, encapsulated tactile. They are encapsulated tactile receptors. Ciliary body in the vertebrate. Eye is a part of iris, vascular tuning, fibrous tunic, retina. It is vascular tuning. Which of these layers is the innermost towards vitreous chamber in the retina of vertebrates? Ganglionic cell layer, inner plexiform layer, layer of cone cell rod, pigmented epithelium. It is ganglionic cell layer. How many how many extraocular muscles occur in connection with the vertebrate eye? 4, 8, 10, 6. They are the 6 in number. Malleus incussus stapes are modifications respectively of articular, hyomandibular, and quadrate, articular and hyomandibular, quadrate and articular, quadrate and hydra. It is the correct option for articular, quadrate and hyomandibular. Otoconia are suspended in synovial fluid, endolymph, perilymph, hemolymph. Correct option is endolymph. Cells of dater occurs in retina of eye, sebaceous glands, organ of corti, utricular. The correct option is organ of corti. Sound waves, what level are considered hazardous? Noise pollution, 30 decibel, 100 decibel, 80 decibel, 120 decibel unit. It is 80 decibel. In frog skull, bones concerned with the ankylosing Jacobs organs are nasal, septomaxillaries, vomus, prooctave. The correct option is vomus. Cornea and lens of the eyes are richly supplied by blood vessels, form the image of the objects upon retina. Controlled quantity of light falling upon retina are supplied by the nerve. The second option is correct. They form the image of objects upon retina. Ear of frog has external and internal ears, external ear but no internal ear but no external ear, internal ear but no ear. Correct option is 3, internal ear but no external ear. I hope everything you are able to get. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video with more frequently asked questions on the other topics of biology. Thank you.